Good news, team. Reinforcements are on the way. Fox, glad you could join us. Look at this hotshot squad leader. Haven't seen you since the academy, Bill. Get these bogeys off us, then we'll catch up.
Radar will help us tell the good guys from the bad.
Everybody watch your trigger finger.
What are you doing, Fox?
Enemy down. Oh, is that ours?
Hey, I had dibs.
On the horizon. What is that?
It's the enemy mothership. Stay alert.
You're not getting away that easy.
You've got moves they never taught us at the academy, Fox.
Scratch one bogey.
This is my kind of party. Okay, now it's a party. He's got a force field. Wait for your opening.
Got a bogey on my 6.
They've got me in their sights.
I make it look easy. The hatch is underneath the rope. Focus fire.
I knew I could count on you.
Appreciate it, Fox.
They're after me.
I picked up a shadow.
Hey, mind your own business.
Target is down.
Ah, I'm hit.
Teamwork. Gotta love it.
You want to play tough? Bulldog unit, don't let anything through. Supplies deployed.
Should've watched your back.
It's your own target, Fox.
I'm turning the tables.
Whew, that was too close.
Bagged another one.
Clean up your act, Fox. Bulldog unit, don't let anything through.
Requesting backup. Appreciate it, Fox.
Fox, get this guy off me.
I don't roll over for anyone.
Watch where you're flying.
Direct hit. I knew I could count on you. Score!
That's how you do it.
Don't get sloppy, Fox. He's initiated some kind of chain reaction. I smell trouble. The enemy core is exposed. All units, engage.
Don't bet against the R Wing. I got one!
Enemy down. Oh, is that ours?
Ah! I'm hit!
We did it. All units, disengage. Enjoy the fireworks, everybody. Katina secure. Stay safe out there, Fox.
Keep holding the line, Bill. We'll see this through.
A new intelligence report is available in the HoloViewer.
Katina reports clear skies and secure borders.
I bet Bill's already looking for his next fight.
There's no shortage of targets. Katina's scouts are already bringing us reports on multiple hotspots. The most worrying intel comes from Solar. Strangely, scans indicate movement on its surface.
Movement?
But Solar is a problem for another day. Its surface temperatures make it impossible to get close. I suggest you turn your attention to Sector X. It's the site of Andross's experimental manufacturing facility. My operatives say the enemy is preparing to unleash a secret weapon with devastating power. You should neutralize the facility and destroy that weapon before it's deployed against us.
We'll take it under advisement, General.
I'm looking at the intel for Solar. I think there's something alive down there. Look!
Could it be some kind of bioweapon?
It must be. What else could possibly survive those temperatures?
Not us. You heard what's his name? The R-Wings would melt to slag, and us along with them.
Actually, with a few modifications, our shields could hold long enough for a recon mission.
It sounds risky. But ignoring that creature sounds riskier.
We'll be pushing the limits like never before. But the R-Wings are up to the challenge, Fox. I know they are.